Good morning. Here's little Dez. He's like, man, y'all get up way too early.
What time is it?
We get up early because of you, Dez. I think it's like 12.
That's usually
Right.
or at least when I did it.
Talking about for Dez. And we got the mamas here. She's trying to hide in the dark so we can't see her. Jay. No, okay, thank you, Jay. Thanks. You don't want his bank right now. Just leave it there. There's Big Brother trying to help out. He loves the little brother. Can you say Dez? Oh, be careful.
Want some for your hands? You gotta rub them together. Rub them. Rub your hands. Yay! You gotta go like this. Go like this. Turn it all around like this. Yay!
Just twiddling your fingers, babe. You try. Little Dez just chilling like, hey, what's my brother about to do?
Don't touch his head. You can touch him now, but don't touch his head. Okay? You gotta stay off the head. Here, see, look. Touch him.
Dez like, you see these gloves? Who wants some? Who want it? Huh. Dez already the baddest man.
What are you doing, baby?
You trying to get up? You like, let's go. I'm gonna roll out with Dad.
Thank you, baby. He doesn't. He almost bumped a little baby.
See, Jay knows how to give him the bank now, so that's all he tries to do every time he sees him. Because Jay loved his bank, so he took him away. So he thinks they're the coolest thing.
You don't need no more.
Yeah, you're good, Jay.
Thank you.
I seen you eyeball me, Dez. I seen you. Your mama maybe she'll give us a high or a face shot or something. She hasn't looked at the camera yet. Keep looking away quick. Look at that. Look at the camera. Look at me. Up here, look at me. Say hi to the camera and look at me.
Hi.
You gotta look at me and say hi. Look up.
How does you give me when I'm looking ratchet?
You don't never
Don't
look
touch his
ratchet.
head. Dez wants to say hi.
Say hi, Dez. Little chunky cheeks. And what you say, Jay? You say hi? Say hi. And you say it, Dez. You say hi. No, it's close to yawn.
Real close.
Hit you with the light. He's like, whoa. There we go. Now mama can't hide. Ooh, get that sexy ass too. Hit you with the light, huh? Get out of my face.
No,
It's the paparazzi, bless
Cover your
you.
mouth, remember? You gotta go like, choo. You gotta put your hand up there.
All kinds of excitement going on. And this is how the day begins in the Stanley household. Look at the mic mics. Look at the mic mics. Look at the mic mics. Yep. Right there. Old Mac Daddy himself, Jamaica. Dez, he the boxer, he the angry one. MMA superstar right there. Well, he angry. Jake. Yep, thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Some more food.
Yep. Well, it's about to be feeding time, so it's time for us to sign off. Goodbye, vlog world.
Stop, baby.
Careful. Say hey, brother. Say hey, brother. I love you. Hey, don't push on his head. Jay. Say love you, brother. Say love you.